Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package from Diamond Art Decor. I have got stuff from them one time, and they asked me if I would like to try some more product, and I said, sure. So, let's see what we got. Oh, we're stuck in the bag. Hang on. Well, it looks like we have 5 things here. All right, let's get into them, and let's see what I picked out at Diamond Art Decor. All right, I did open a couple just to figure out who it was from. Always have to do that, right? Always. Okay, let's see what we have. I'm going to turn you a little bit. A little bit. Well, that's too much. Okay, they're just in the way. I don't know why. Let's move you. I don't know. Okay, let's go for it. I know, because I got extra stuff on my counter. That's why. Okay, this is cool. Oh, yep, this is what I thought it was. This has a very pliable canvas. I love this. Oh my gosh. I know why I was confused, because this is so full. That's why. Okay, I have this painting, tweezers in our kit. I have this painting in a full drill, regular drill. But look at there. Okay, this one is special drill. Yes. So I was excited to see it. And then when I just opened it, I was like, wait, did I get another full drill? No, I did not. No, I did not. You already saw the drills. They're special. 14 of them, but it is super full. Look at the background. Look at the background. See all this? We have some larger ones mixed in. It's almost a full drill with special drills. Love it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Happy fall, y'all. I got to dig out my gnomes. I got to get ready for November. This plastic does not cover up the glue at the top. It's sticky at the top. But look at it. Aren't they cute? All of their leopard print, zebra print hats, the pumpkins. Oh my goodness. This is like, I'm going to have to take this plastic off and see if I can get it to go up to the top better. I think I'll just take it all off later and redo it. I can do that. Be careful though when you do that. But it is almost completely covered. It's a complete coverage special drill. I love that. Love, love, love that. All right. Okay, let's look at these drills. That's going to be fun. He's at the top of my list. I have a lot at the top of the list. I don't know what we're going to do. All right. Here we go. Lots of clear. This is that background. The clear will be in the background. Hello, camera. Hello. Focus better. Thank you. A bunch of black. That's resin. Light peachy orange. Kind of a coppery color. A green. An orange. This is a yellowy green kind of color. See it? Interesting. Olive. Let's call it olive. Some stars, some shards, and we have matching marquees to go with our shards. And here are the bigger clear ones, and bigger black, and bigger black. Yay! So it's kind of bubble roundy a little bit, because we have some of the same colors in different sizes. We got special shapes though. It's just all kind of fun. All kinds of fun. I love it. I'm super excited for that one. Okay, you want to come together? Fine. Come together right now. Over me. Yeah. Are you old enough for that one? Are you old enough? Oh, this is funny. I believe this is Christopher Colossa's most recent. He shouted me out. He's like, okay, Mindy. She talked me into it. She's got me looking at these quilling ones. And he was looking for special ones with lots of special drills. And he picked out this one. I'm pretty sure he picked out this one. We got a pink flower, a yellow flower, a white flower. I could be, no, I think he did. We got like the checkerboard background, gingham. And then we have this green stripe here. Big swirlies. A lot of them have these big swirly things that, you know, it's paper quilling is what it's resembling. So, and this one has lots of specials. Look at those. These are shards. I'm going to bet. Look at these. Lots of stuff. Look at these. This one's going to be fun. Yep, Christopher. I know. Can you say the word addiction? That's what this is. This is an addiction. And they just keep coming out with more. I can't keep up. I can't. Do I need them all? Let me think about that a second. What do you think? I don't know. All right, here we go. Let the fun begin, because this has so many special things. It's crazy. We have orange rhinestones, pink rhinestones, clear rhinestones. Then we have white pearl, AB, green rhinestones. That's it for the rhinestones, ladies and folks. Ladies and folks. Ladies and gentlemen. Then we have a bigger white. Look at that. For that pink flower, yes. Look at those. Those are gorgeous. They are gorgeous. You're right, Christopher. They're beautiful. We have some marquee, 2 bags of those, the clear marquees. Some big gold balls. Here's our shards. A couple bags of shards. We need a lot of shards. We need some smaller gold balls. And then look at those. Gorgeous green, big old teardrops. Right? It's beautiful. I almost sang another song. I refrained. I almost did. Tears of a clown. Okay, I did it. I went there. What can I say? All right. What else? What else? What else? These are all sticky. Sticky, sticky. Sticky, sticky. All right. I think this one's different. I've been really trying to keep track of these. I have a whole folder in my photos that's just the quilling stuff, so I can keep track of which ones I have and which ones I don't. All right, purple. Can you say purple? All right, what do we got? Ooh, we got a big swirly thing there. And we have flowers. This one has a lot of purple background. It's got 12 different shapes, stones, etc. But it's pretty. It's super pretty. It's super pretty. All right, what do we have? Oh. A lot of people are like getting on the bandwagon here going, I've never tried one of those, but I might try one. Try it. You'll like it. Pink, clear. All right. White pearls, purple, yellow. Oh, and let the fun begin. Woohoo! Look at those. Beautiful. And if you don't get enough of that color, here, let's throw in a different shape. All right. White pearls, gold marquee, yellow pearls, and some more of that beautiful pink. Okay. Can I love this anymore? No, probably not. Okay. Love it. Love, love, love. Love, 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 love. Why are we all sticky, sticky today and all sticky, sticky together? I don't know. We're feeling the need to be close because I want to be close to you. All right, totally different color palette here. This one's fun. I think I placed this order before I said to myself, okay, slow down. Don't get all quilling. I think that was before. This one's upside down. But look, it's got a gray background. Gray and gold. Very pretty. Stunning. I like those colors together, gray and gold. Oh, and this one's roses. Oh, we have champagne. Would you like some champagne or wine in our glasses over here? I think those are champagne glasses. I don't drink, so I don't know. But look at the pretty roses. And look at all the dots. Dot, 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 all the way around. Those are drills. Those are not printed. See, there's a number. Those are drills. Nice bouquet of roses. Very pretty. I love these, you guys. 12. 12 is our magic number here. Oh, it's got fun stuff. This is the best part about opening up special drills, is finding all the fun stuff inside. And when you find a special drill you've never had before, it's like hitting the jackpot. you know. Ooh, 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 I never had that. Well, some are falling out. Some yellows. And it's 2 shades of yellow, a lighter and a darker. Can you see the difference? An orange, a clear, a very light yellow, a green, a purple, a different green, a whole bunch of the white pearls. Ooh, that's nice. Then we have a big yellow, faceted, round. We got snowflakes. Some people call them stars. I like to call them snowflakes. Pretty. And pearls. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. You know, it's just like Lay's potato chips. Yep. Oh, sorry. I said a name brand. Sorry. Don't get me in trouble. Okay, one more. One more. Okay, so they were all quilling except for the gnomes. Oh, what can I say? And this, oh my gosh, just looking at this canvas, it's going to be so many specials. It's crazy. All right. I mean, look it. We got 10, we got 8. Look at those flowers. Look at those. We're going to have probably shards, some marquees, some big blobs in the middle. Blobs. Look at this flower. Look at this flower. Oh my gosh, look at this flower. These are all different. Lots and lots of special drills for this one. That's beautiful. On this like olive greenish kind of background with yellow. Oh my gosh, right? Wow. So pretty. So pretty. This is going to have so many things. 15 different shapes, sizes, colors, blues. Ooh. All right, let's see them. Let's roll that beautiful drill footage. All right, here we go. Oh man, so many blues. All right, orange, gold. Here we go. Let's start the blues. Blue, blue, clear, blue, gold balls, pearls, little pearls, blue pearls. And then here we go. Look at those. Those are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Those are. They're going to be all over the place. Some clear, iridescent, some smaller ones. Oh, look at those. Look at, I told you, right? I told you just by looking at that canvas, this was going to, Christopher, you want specials. Go get this one. You like blue? Look at that. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Wow. Look at the blues. I told you, a lot of blue. Look at them. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm done. I'm just done. I gotta put this stuff away. I'm not in special drill mode. I wanna be though. I can always do special drills. We're doing the gnome. The gnome you'll see soon. Okay, we're doing that one soon. I gotta pick out a few. I don't know how many I'm gonna get done in November, but you know, I could do this one now for the pink event, right? Look at the pinks. I could do this one for the pink event if I can get my other stuff done. Okay, peace be with me. Breathe. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This was a goofy one. People like it when I'm goofy, so here you go. Hit that like button. If you like goofy, subscribe and come back and see more stuff, okay? All right. I will see everybody soon. Have a great day. Let me clean up my mess. All right. See you guys. Bye.